Today we are diving into the art of drawing eyes using the traditional method. Whether you are an aspiring artist or simply curious, this tutorial will guide you through drawing realistic eyes from various angles. So grab your drawing tools and let's reveal the secret of stunning eye art. First step is laying the foundation. Your eye begins with a basic circle. Draw a smooth, light circle right in the center of your paper. This circle is the heart of your eye where all the magic starts. Step second is drawing basic parts. Let's break down the essential part of the eye. Within your circle, sketch a curved line at the top for the upper eyelid and a small one at the bottom for the lower eyelid. And remember, the shapes can be modified according to the different eye shapes, types and styles. Next, draw a small circle in the center of the iris and a dot within for the pupil. Step 3. Drawing in different angles. Now let's explore drawing eyes from different angles. For an eye looking straight ahead, keep the iris centered. The pupil should have a slightly oval shape for different angles. Step 4 is shading and highlights. The eye comes to life with shading. For first layer, start with separating shadows and highlight with two values, and then do a second layer for darker areas of the eye and focus on making a gradation from light to shadow. Remember, white of the eye is circle and it should have soft gradation because of its roundness. Then shade the outer part of the iris darker than the inner part. Darken the pupil and leave a highlight on the iris to mimic the reflection of the light. Step 5 is drawing eyelashes. Draw them in groups along the eyelids, making them shorter toward the inner corner and longer and thicker toward the outer edge. Keep them natural looking and not too uniform in its length or direction. Remember, eyelashes block light, which adds a layer of shadow under the upper eyelid around the eyeball. Step 6 is final touches. Time to refine your creation. Step back, evaluate your drawing and gently adjust any areas that need fine-tuning. This preserves the beauty of your eye. So doing these steps with practice will surely improve your eye drawing. But if you want to learn more about shading or drawing using shapes, you can watch these videos.